Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here in capture settings category we can find the assistive grid option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our camera grid lines. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the preview we get access to these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at the picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings, turn off assistive grid. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.